Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you a Mother's Day / birthday card that I made for my mom. And I say that because her birthday was last weekend and Mother's Day is today. But I didn't have time to finish this card, and I wanted to make her something special because it was her 75th birthday. So I gave her her Mother's Day card on her birthday, and today I'm giving her her birthday card. So I really like the way it turned out. These two beautiful, gorgeous pieces are what Julie Krabenhoff, who is Paper Play with Julie K here on YouTube, and I'll leave her link in the description box below. Very talented crafter, and she blessed me with some beautiful, gorgeous, like shabby vintage embellishments. So I just love them. So thank you so much, Julie. I so appreciate it. My mom fell in love with them when she saw them, so I knew I had to incorporate it into this card somehow. So let's get into the card. It is a double tri-shutter card, and I use the Tea Garden collection, I believe. If you want to know, I'll leave the link in the description box below. It's paper that's been out for quite a while. And I just outlined it with all these itty bitty tiny pearls that are on a roll. And the back is left really plain. And yeah, so it opens up like this. So I'll show it kind of each panel at a time because it is a very large card. And so this is a rub on here, a sticker and sticker there. And every single piece that's paper that's laid on here, I etched in a gold leafing pen. This is some washi that I ripped and put on here. And this is a butterfly sticker with some stickles trail, some stamping, more stamping. And I left that plain, put a little chipboard piece there. More stickers. And they're kind of vintagey. And then this is my mom. This was taken a couple of years ago. I did some stamping here. Oh, and there's some washi tape that I put on the sides here that was gifted to me by Lynn, who is Art B here on YouTube. So thank you, Lynn. This is a wooden sticker, which I just coated in stickles. Another rub on. Another beautiful butterfly with a trail. All that gold leaf etching. Some more stamping here. And when I went to stamp, I accidentally dropped it. So it stamped a little bit. So I covered it up with like a lacy kind of curtain here. And this is another chipboard piece. Another sticker and sticker. And in the middle, I just put a doily, outlined it in all pearls, and put a happy birthday stamp on there, which I thought was just adorable for such a large card. And then to have a little itty bitty mouse there, I just had to do it. Okay, I'll get that folded up in a minute. And for her present, I already took her out shopping for her birthday, so this is her Mother's Day gift. I made this beautiful, gorgeous tag. I layered it with paper, did some stenciling, put a doily, a heart die cut, and the inside of that heart die cut, I put a little sticker here, some pearls. This is a spray I made that I did a tutorial on earlier, and I'll leave that link in the description box below. I put pearls everywhere, made a rosette, little chipboard heart with a handmade pinwheel, and then some laces up top here, and then I gessoed like the whole thing. There's some more stenciling up there, and I distressed all the edges. And on the back, I just made a stand here, and I got this die that I used as a pocket and did another rub on here, and I'm just going to stick a gift card in there, so, and that way it can stand if she wants to display it. And I think it turned out so pretty. So that is my project share for today. I hope you liked it, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful Mother's Day, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, everybody. Bye for now.